Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sayyid Muhammad Onrisbi. I am working in a Chandbagh school. I am O-level physics teacher there. My lecture is lecture number 8 and it is related to grade 8 physics. Now I will proceed towards the next slide, that is a topic slide. The topic I am going to discuss and describe is the calculation of time from the speed formula. I have already discussed in my previous lecture the formula of speed, and the formula of speed is very much simple. It is equal to distance traveled divided by time taken, and distance traveled by the object is measured by the measuring tape, and the time taken by that object to cover that distance is measured by the stopwatch. So this is a formula of speed. From the formula of speed we will deduce the formula of time by rearranging time taken is equal to distance traveled divided by speed. We will get the formula of time from the speed formula. Now we will put that time formula into example, and we will find the time. Let's take an example. As you see that in the example, an aircraft flies at an average speed of 250 meter per second. This is the average speed of the aircraft that is flying. How long will it take to fly between two airports? The aeroplane is flying between two airports, and we have to find the time taken by the aeroplanes, and the distance covered by that aeroplane from one airport to another airport is 750 kilometers apart. The two airports are 750 kilometers apart. The distance between two airports are given. Now in the solution we will apply the formula of time. Time taken is equal to distance traveled divided by average speed. As distance traveled is given in the example, that is 750 kilometer. Now I have converted the kilometer into meter by multiplying 750 with 1000. The kilometer distance is converted into meter divided by the speed, and speed is given as 250 meter per second. If you divide the distance traveled divided by average speed, what will happen? You will get the time, and that time is 3000 seconds. So that is the time taken by the aircraft to fly between two airports, 3000 seconds. If you want to convert this 3000 seconds into minutes, you have to divide it by 60. You know that in 1 minute there are 60 seconds. In this case we are converting from second to minutes, smaller unit to bigger unit. That's why we will divide it 3000 with 60, and what will happen, we will get the time in minutes, that is 50 minutes. I hope so you like my lecture what I have delivered to you. You have to take interest in this topic, and you have to read this topic in your book, and you also have to solve the past paper the questions that are related to this topic. Okay, Khuda Hafiz.